Did you know that if you have the Amex Gold, you might be leaving hundreds of dollars of untapped value on the table? Most cardholders know about the 4x points on dining and the Uber credits, but there are hidden perks and lesser known benefits that could easily cover the card's recent $325 annual fee increase. And then some. Imagine using perks you might be missing out on to unlock even more value, maybe even fully offsetting your fee. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to maximize the credits you're familiar with and uncover exclusive, often overlooked strategies that could add major value to your card. By the end, you'll know how to squeeze every dollar out of your Amex Gold. Let's start with how to maximize those credits that you might already be familiar with, starting with the Dunkin' Donuts credit. As a part of the recent refresh, the Amex Gold now gives cardholders $85 of credit each year to be used at Dunkin' Donuts. The $84 is broken down into $7 increments every month. The obvious way to use this credit is by grabbing a coffee and donuts once a month. But what if Dunkin' isn't nearby? Or maybe you'd rather not make a trip every month to a Dunkin' Donuts location. Well, here's a quick, easy workaround to use that $7 credit from the comfort of your own home. First, download the Dunkin' app on your phone. Next, log in or create an account. Add your Amex Gold as a payment method. Then just buy a $7 Dunkin' gift card through the app. As of the time of filming, this method should still activate the $7 credit, and you'll see it appear in your transaction history within a few business days. Therefore, your gift card balance is ready to go whenever you're on the road or feel like treating yourself without having to visit a Dunkin' every month. It's simple, convenient, and you don't miss a penny of value. Some cardholders have also reported success using this credit at Baskin-Robbins locations, since Dunkin' and Baskin-Robbins share the same parent company. However, your mileage may vary when you do try to use it at Baskin-Robbins. Now that you know how to maximize the Dunkin' credits, let's talk about another great perk I make the most out of, the Uber credit. This one is straightforward since it applies only to Uber rides or Uber Eats. But here's how I get the most value from it. First, make sure you set up your Uber accounts and add your Amex Gold as a payment method. Once that's done, you'll automatically receive $10 of Uber credit every month, adding up to the $120 in credit over the year. Now here's an important detail. This credit only works within the United States. If you're using Uber or Uber Eats abroad, let's say in Japan, the credit won't apply. Technically, you could use it in other countries that accept US dollars or charge you with US dollars, but for simplicity's sake, let's just say it's limited to the United States. So when you're in the United States, what's the best way to use it? Personally, I like to use my credit for Uber rides or for Uber Eats pickup orders. That way I avoid extra fees like delivery charges and surcharges, maximizing the full value of each credit. Before I dive into ways to reduce or even completely offset the annual fee, let's look at another valuable perk that's often overlooked, the hotel collection credit. This benefit can be a game changer for your travel plans if you know how to use it right. While the Amex Gold isn't primarily a travel card, it does offer some valuable travel related perks. For starters, you earn 3x points on flights and 2x points on hotels when you book through the Amex travel portal. But the standout benefit is access to the hotel collection. With the hotel collection benefits, you get a $100 property credit, early check-in at 12 p.m., complimentary room upgrades, and late checkout when available. To access these benefits, just book a stay of at least 2 nights at a participating hotel in the Amex Hotel Collection portfolio. This has to be done through the Amex travel portal online. Here's what to know about using that $100 credit. Depending on the property, it could usually be applied toward dining, drinks, or spa services. Sometimes it is restricted to a specific use, like let's say spa services, but I've had success in the past getting flexibility to apply it towards dining purchases instead. So it's worth asking and talking with the front desk to see if they could adjust it. Keep in mind though that hotel collection properties are typically more upscale, which could mean higher rates. Occasionally, booking through the Amex portal may cost more than booking directly with the hotel, but the benefits from the hotel collection can help offset that difference. And here's a little known tip. You could apply these hotel collection perks for up to 3 rooms per stay. So if you're traveling with family or friends and you need multiple rooms, booking them all on your Amex Gold means everyone enjoys these same perks, making it a great way to maximize value on group trips. Other travel benefits on the Amex Gold include no foreign transaction fees, checked bag insurance, and car rental insurance. Before we dive into ways to cut down the Amex Gold's annual fee, let's quickly go over how to make the most of the last 2 credits this card has to offer. First of those credits is the $120 annual dining credit, split into $10 each month. You could use this credit at places like Grubhub, the Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, and Five Guys. And there are 3 main ways to get the most out of it each month. First, you could use it directly on a meal by ordering from one of those spots. Maybe a Grubhub pickup order or a Five Guys burger when you're feeling bougie. The second option is to apply it towards a Grubhub Plus membership. If you order delivery often, this could help save you on fees throughout the month, making the $10 credit stretch further. And the third and final option is to buy a gift card at any of those locations. This lets you save the credit for a later purchase or even gift it to someone else. Now let's talk about the newest addition to the Amex Gold Card, the RESY dining credit. Be sure to enroll through your Amex account first. Once activated, you'll get $50 in dining credits every 6 months to use at participating RESY restaurants. If you're not familiar with RESY, it is an online restaurant reservation booking system owned by Amex. Here's how the RESY credit works. Simply go to RESY, search for eligible restaurants in your area, and choose where you want to dine. You don't even have to book through RESY in order to trigger this credit. Just dine there, charge the meal to your Amex Gold, and the credit should apply automatically within a few days. Another trick with this credit is that some cardholders have successfully triggered the RESY credit by purchasing a gift card in person at one of the participating restaurants. Okay, with all of those credits maximized, let's move on to strategies for cutting down or even fully reimbursing the Amex Gold's annual fee. For the Amex Gold, there are 3 ways to reduce the annual fee each year. The first 2 options apply only to certain cardholders, but the last one can work for everyone. Option number 1 is through the Amex Corporate Advantage program, which applies if you already hold a corporate Amex card. If your employer provides you with a corporate card, such as the Amex Platinum, Gold, or Green, for business expenses, you may be eligible for an annual $100 statement credit onto your personal Amex Gold Card. To check if you're eligible, search online for the Amex Corporate Advantage program or call the number on the back of your Amex corporate card. Keep in mind that if your corporate card is canceled or if you leave the company that you work for, you'll lose this credits, the statement credits, though your personal Amex Gold Card will still remain open. The next option will get rid of your entire annual fee if you are active duty in the military. This is made possible by 2 laws, the Service Members Civil Relief Act and the Military Landing Act. If you're on active duty, Amex will automatically verify your status via your social security number and apply the annual fee waiver when you apply for a new Amex credit card. And if you're ever mistakenly charged, a quick call to Amex will resolve it and they'll reimburse you for the annual fee. Remember though, once you leave active duty, you'll be charged the full annual fee. Then the last option to cut down your annual fee is available to all cardholders by requesting a retention offer. Retention offers are incentives that Amex provides to keep existing customers. For them, it's cheaper to give out these retention offers than it is to go out and find completely new Amex customers. These offers typically come in the form of bonus points after you spend a certain amount on your credit card. For instance, a friend of mine recently received a retention offer of 20,000 points after spending $3,000 on the Amex Gold Card. Those points are worth at least $200 if redeemed for travel. That significantly offsets the $325 annual fee. To request a retention offer, wait until your annual fee is charged, then reach out to Amex via chat or phone and ask if there is a retention offer available. You may or you may not get an offer every year, but the worst they could say is no. Now that we've covered how to reduce or even eliminate the annual fee, let's look at the last few tips that could help you fully maximize this card's potential. These last few tips will help you rack up more Amex points every year, unlocking even more value from your card. First up is Amex Offers, a feature that many beginners overlook. Amex Offers allows you to earn extra rewards or cash back on purchases you're likely already making. Here's an example. If you're planning a nice date and you want to take your partner to Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, spending $125 or more will earn you an extra 3,000 Amex points. That's on top of the 4x points you're already earning with the dining reward multiplier. Or if you shop at Sephora, you could earn 5x points instead of the usual 1x. Another great offer is for Amex Travel's hotel collection. Spend $650 or more and you'll receive $150 back as a statement credit. And like I mentioned earlier, you could pair this Amex offer with the hotel collection benefits as well that come with the Amex Gold Card to get even more value from this credit card. I've personally used Amex Offers to earn both extra points and statement credits on purchases I planned to make anyway. These offers are free to use and you can add as many as you like to your Amex Gold Card through your Amex account online. The only caution here is don't overspend on things you don't need just to chase an Amex offer. It's not worth it. Another way to earn extra points is through referrals. For every friend or family member you successfully refer, you'll earn 15,000 Amex points up to a yearly cap of 100 100,000 points. To refer someone, go to the Amex app, tap account on the bottom right, scroll down to refer a friend, and select the Amex Gold. You can then send your referral link. One thing to note here is that sometimes the sign-up bonus from a referral link differs from the sign-up bonus that's available directly on the Amex website. So make sure your referral is getting the best sign-up bonus available. Lastly, let's talk about using Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback affiliate service that rewards you for shopping through their platform. Here's how it works. If you shop at Nike through Rakuten, you might earn 14% cashback on your purchase. And since you're using a credit card, you're also earning points from the normal reward multipliers as well. But here's the exciting part. Rakuten lets you opt to receive Amex points instead of cash back. So instead of 14% cash back, you'll earn 14x Amex points on your Nike purchase. No credit card naturally offers that kind of earning power. Rakuten is free to sign up for and use. You'll pay the same prices as you would shopping directly with the retailer. So there's nothing to lose here. It's literally free money left on the table. For example, you're still buying directly from Nike, not a third-party site. I've also included a referral code in the description below for Rakuten. If you use it, you'll get $30 cash back or 3,000 Amex points on your first purchase of $30 or more, on top of the points that you earn from Rakuten itself. Once you've set up your Rakuten account, you can then refer friends and family to Rakuten as well and earn even more Amex points, similar to how Amex referrals work. Now you know how to squeeze every bit of value from your Amex Gold and ensure you're not leaving any money or points on the table. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Shoots.